You know what? Today is going to be so windy later on. I just want to warn you because once this cold front comes through, we are going to see a stiff northwesterly wind component sustained around 30 to 35 miles per hour, gusting though to 40. That's going to pull in significantly colder air here for Columbus Day. We're going to struggle with low to mid 50s. That's it. So starting tonight through Tuesday, all that instability riding over the warmer lake is going to generate lakeside rain showers. Thank goodness it's not any colder. That would be snow. And then by the middle of the week, we're talking an inland freeze. So frost and freeze advisories probably will take shape both Tuesday night and Wednesday night. I'm thinking Monday we'll still have too much wind, too much cloud cover for that to develop. We are at 58 degrees, north wind at 9. We'll see our low temperature right around sunrise. Sunrise today, by the way, is at 7:02. And we have 53 in Waukegan. We are at 55 Valparaiso, 60 Joliet, down to 47 though with clear skies in Ottawa, and 55 in Kankakee. Here is the wind plot for today. After 4 o'clock, that's when it really gets windy for us. We stay windy going into tonight, and on Columbus Day, those winds almost start turning a little more out of the north. See how they filter and funnel through the lake? That's what generates that instability to touch off those lakeside rain showers. Models keep wanting to bring drizzle to the marathon start. It is possible for spotty drizzle, but I think this is a little overdone. But we could see a little spotty drizzle as the runners get started, then just a cloudy, windy day. Now, on Monday, though, we start seeing that rain shaft kind of moving into the picture here. And also on Tuesday, I think the higher rain chance probably will be Tuesday, especially in the morning when we get a big push of moisture coming off the lake, and that's going to spread pretty far inland as well, even though it's generated from the lake. So highs today about 65 in Skokie, Elmhurst 64 degrees. So low and mid 60s for daytime highs. And then we're going to be moving those readings only into the mid 50s for Monday, for Columbus Day, and then 53 on Tuesday. But we get milder here. We're finding 70, Suzanne, by Friday.
Loving that. Thanks.